Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth headphones to your PS4. Many people try to connect their favorite wireless headphones directly, but the PS4 built-in Bluetooth is primarily for controllers and does not support standard audio profiles. The only reliable way to get your Bluetooth headphones working for game audio is by using a dedicated USB Bluetooth adapter. This small device plugs into your console and acts as a bridge, allowing your headphones to connect seamlessly. When selecting an adapter, it's crucial to pick a USB Bluetooth audio transmitter. Avoid simple receivers, as they won't send your PS4 audio out. Many good adapters are available, often costing between $20 and $40. Ensure the one you choose explicitly states it supports audio transmission and ideally a microphone so you can communicate with friends. Low latency is also key for an enjoyable gaming experience, preventing any noticeable sound delays. Once you have your adapter, the setup is straightforward. First, plug the USB Bluetooth adapter into any open USB port on your PlayStation 4 console. Next, put your Bluetooth headphones into their pairing mode. This usually involves holding down a power or Bluetooth button for a few seconds until an indicator light flashes. Then, activate the pairing function on your USB adapter, often by pressing a small button. The adapter and headphones should then connect automatically, indicated by a steady light. With your headphones paired to the adapter, the final step is to configure your PS4 audio settings. Go to the PS4 main menu, select Settings, then Devices, and finally Audio Devices. Here, you should see your USB adapter listed. Select it as both your input device and output device. Adjust the microphone level to your preference and ensure output to headphones is set to all audio to hear all game sounds. You are now ready to enjoy wireless audio.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.